Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the laziest, easiest pan pizza. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you'll know what I'm cooking up next. Now let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to add yeast, sugar, salt, and I'm going to whisk it together really well. And then I'm going to add to this about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm also going to add in some warm water here. For my warm water, I just want to make sure that it's going to be between about 108 and 110 degrees. Now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together until a very soft dough forms. We basically just want to make sure we incorporate all the flour. Just keep in mind that this dough is going to be a tad sticky to the touch. It's basically a shaggy loose dough, and that's okay because we are not kneading the dough in this recipe at all. Just make sure you cover it once you have the dough formed for about 45 minutes, then transfer it and place it in the refrigerator for 12 hours up to overnight. And then 12 hours later, we remove it from the refrigerator and bring it to room temperature. So you can see it's sticky to the touch, but that's okay. We're just gonna lightly dust this with a little bit of flour, just enough to handle the dough and to form it into a ball. No kneading here again, we just wanna be able to handle the dough. Once you're ready to bake the pizza, preheat the oven to as hot as you can get it. I max my oven out. Then I add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan and I evenly coat it, but I also sprinkle cheese at the bottom of my pan as well. This is gonna make my crust extra crispy. Then I add my pizza dough to the pan and I begin to press it to fit inside the pan while dipping it with my fingertips to release air bubbles. And if for some reason it doesn't fit inside your pan completely, just cover it back up and allow it to sit for another 15 minutes or so and then try again. Now I'm just going to dress my pizza here by adding some pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. And I really like brushing my dough with homemade garlic butter. It is so good. I also like brushing it with garlic butter at the end. Again, it is so good. But anyway, you can top your pizza with any ingredients you want, any way you like here. So I'm just gonna finish my pizza off by topping it with some freshly grated parmesan cheese. Y'all know I'm extra and you know I like my extra cheese, so I'll do that. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of fresh basil to the pizza. Then it's gonna go in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just look at this pan pizza. When I tell you it's good, it really is. This pizza has the perfect crispy crust that I just love so much. Why even bother with takeout when you can make something like this at home? I'm telling you. This is my favorite dough recipe, but I'm working on a regular dough recipe right now as well. So it'll be live on my blog pretty soon. If you want to see that, you can leave me a comment or sign up for my recipe notifications. But that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.